Hey, listen, come here. Listen to me. So, today I'm gonna show you some technical stuff, and doing so will bring my inner nerds too. If you are not living under a rock or a different universe, you should have heard of RTX Voice. But you will be thinking, isn't it only support RTX cards and I don't have one? The name says RTX monkey. Well. Don't you worry, my boys. Monkey here will take you to a ride and get you a badge in no time. This will make you so much special to your friends and family. So let's start. First thing first, open your browser and go to this website. The link will be in the description below, and you can click it or you can open it by manually typing www.nvidia.com RTX Voice. You can search it on the Google, I suppose. RTX Voice setup guide. Okay, you just scroll through this page here about RTX Voice. So this RTX Voice is it is a new plugin that NVIDIA RTX GPUs are using Tensor cores, that their AI capabilities can remove the background noise from your audio tracks. Okay, the ambient noise, other things like keyboard typing or any kind of background noise that can get in your audio track, and it can do a tremendous job because I do get a lot of noises in my background. This thing can almost make it like a pin drop silence in my background. So this works. So the requirements are that you must have a NVIDIA GeForce RTX card or a Quadro RTX graphics card. I'm sorry that AMD GPUs are not compatible with this driver because it's NVIDIA's monopoly system, and they only make their things only for their GPUs. But you guys came here for that. Well, let me show you guys how can you install this on your GTX cards. Scroll down here, and here you will see that setup guide and download the. Okay, click on this link, download the app, and it will ask you to save this file. Save it in your download location where you wanna download. Okay, just let it finish first. So as you guys can see, the download has already been completed, and this is the .exe file that I have downloaded. So if you just open up this .exe file, the NVIDIA installer cannot continue because the NVIDIA RTX Voice application is not supported on your existing GPU. An RTX enabled GPU is needed for this application to run. Well, I have a GTX 1060 apparently. I cannot run this GTX card, not an RTX Voice card. So let me show you how can you work around this. At first, you will need a RAR compatible application like WinZip or 7-zip or WinRAR. I have 7-zip. Just right click on this .exe file, select 7-zip and open the archive. Here you will see that the archive has these files inside it. Just select all these files and drag it in. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I can drag it in here. Let it finish. These files are here. Okay. You just have to open this folder only, NVAFX in capital. Can you see this? NVAFX. Double click that, open this, and you will find this file txvoice.nvi. Select this file name extensions, okay, and hidden items to check those things. Open it with Notepad. You can open it with Notepad, but I think it is better to open it with Notepad++. I'm using it. So here you have to find these lines. The constraints property name feature.rtx voice level silent text install blocked message. When you don't have any RTX card, these lines will check if you have a RTX card or not. So to bypass that, you just have to select these lines like this, from these constraints to the end of the statement, this statement, and this line. You just delete it. Okay, just delete it and click save. It will overwrite the file and save and replace that file. Okay, just close the Notepad file. You just have to click on this setup.exe, not in here, because you have already extracted all these files from this archive. Okay, just double click the setup.exe. you will see that the install application is the system check already have passed, and you just get agree and continue, and it will install the RTX voice on your system, the latest version, and you just apparently agree and continue, and installation is progress. I'm not gonna restart now, guys, because I'm recording this video right now. Just wait. Okay, this is the RTX voice application interface. As you can, I'm using this USB audio generic microphone. Below that is a output device, and you have to select your default output device. So right now I'm using my headphone. It filters all your incoming audio from your multiplayer game or chat. Okay, you suppose you are playing with your friend and he's chatting with you over the game, and you will get those very static noise in the background. NVIDIA will filter those noises out and send you the clean signal. But I don't use it actually, because I don't care that the incoming sounds will be clear or not, because I don't use it anymore. The one setting I definitely use, and I recommend definitely use it on your input device. Check this remove background noise from my microphone option, and the noise suppression percentage is basically it's the percentage how much background noise it will filter out. Now I will put two audio tracks side by side so you can compare the sound quality for yourself. One will be RTX enabled and one will be RTX disabled. Now guys, I will show you the surprising part of this video. RTX voice on. Hello, 1 2 3 check. 1 2 3 check, sound check. And this is without the RTX on, guys. This is the default microphone I am using and recording from that directly. 1 2 3 check. 1 2 3 check. Can you hear the difference? Okay, that's it for now, guys. I hope this video is not too much long. So yeah, enjoyed the video? Why don't you press that like button, huh? Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. You know the deal. Dislike this video if you feel so. Subscribe this channel. It will help the channel and it will motivate me to do these types of videos in future. Thank you so much. Bye.